Hi guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you a new way to print our super popular skinny stainless steel tumblers in full format if you don't have a sublimation convection oven. You can try our newly launched Easy Mark Press. It can fully print the tumblers nice and fast because it comes with this new larger mark heater. It's longer and it can fully wrap this tumbler and produce pressure and heat to transfer the image. And if you have a mark press with mark heater in regular size, you can still print the tumbler, but only with a small picture or logo on the middle. Now with our new mark press and this larger mark heater, you can print larger image and print fully. So without further ado, let's move on to see how to print it. So do you guys like the print out result? I think the colors are great and it's very easy and fast to get it done with this amazing mark press. And if you want to print some marks and other drinkware as well, this machine can also help you a lot because we also supply other mark heaters for shot glasses, espresso cups, ceramic mugs, and metal bottles. 7 mark heaters in total, including this new one. You can just purchase our Easy Multi 7-in-1 mark press with all the 7 mark heaters and switch the heaters to print the items you want to print. And if you are interested in the machine and all the items here, you can send the email to best@bestsub.net for more product information. And also please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.